Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny. Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy and simple and elegant Diwali makeup look. So if you want to know how I did this look, please continue watching the video. Before that, kindly click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. As I always say, before makeup, skincare is very important, and especially moisturization and sunscreen. So for moisturizer, today I've used Belif Aqua Balm, which is a great moisturizer for almost all skin types and preps my skin so well. For lips, I've used my ever favorite Baskin Nature Beetroot Lip Balm. It leaves a subtle tint and it nourishes my lips so well. I like it a lot. You can also use my discount code and save some bucks when you purchase these products. Let's move on to makeup. First, I'm using the Lakme Blur Primer and I'm applying it on my center part of my face where my skin tends to get oily very soon. So I'm concentrating more on the center part of my face and just applying the remaining product to the peripheral part of my face. This step is very important, especially for me, to make the makeup last longer. So if you wish to, you can definitely use the primer option, or else you can skip if you are not used to it. Next, for color correction, I'm using Pactic Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange, and I'm applying it on areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and I'm blending it with my fingers to get the maximum pigmentation out of it. To set this, I'm using Beauty HD Loose Powder and I'm slightly dusting to prevent the foundation getting mixed up with the orange corrector. For foundation, I'm using Nykaa Skinshield foundation in the shade 13. I guess it's Foxy Chestnut. It is such a beautiful match for me. It is one of the only one foundation I would say that has a perfect match to my skin tone. This is a beautiful medium to buildable coverage foundation which gives a natural skin-like finish. It isn't either dewy or matte. It is somewhere in between. I love the way it gives the natural finish to my skin. So that's how my skin looks like. For concealer, I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 1 to just highlight as well as to add a more coverage to the areas wherever I need. And I'm blending it well with the same beauty blender. So that's it for my base makeup, guys. To set it well, I'm using Beauty's HD Loose Powder and I'm using this pack brush to set my entire face with the loose powder so that it doesn't move or budge and it stays for a long time. Next, for eyebrows, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Arc Arrival Brow Definer to fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, and I always do and always recommend to go on with short strokes in the direction of hair growth to get that perfect natural finish and fuller eyebrows. So that's how my eyebrows look like. Next, let's move on to eyeshadow, and for that I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size palette in the shade Berry Bad, I guess. Yeah, so I'm using the lightest shade as my transition shade and it is very close to my skin color, so it doesn't seem like an eyeshadow as well, and it's a good transition shade, and I'm applying it on the transition area of my eye. Next, as a crease shade, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics blush, blending it well on the crease area and slightly on the outer corner of my eye. Guys, also please ignore the bad construction sound behind. I'm so sorry for that. Next, I'm using the bronzy metallic shimmer shade from the same e.l.f. palette and I'm applying it all over my eyelid, and that's it. The look is so simple and it looks elegant. It is both suitable for day and night time. You can carry it so well with any kind of dress you wear. Again, to my lower lash line, I'm blending it with the same blush shade and just finishing the eye look. For kajal, I'm using Earth Rhythm's Just Wing It Kajal. It is such a beautiful kajal, great for sensitive eyes. As I have sensitive eyes, I'm very picky on picking the kajal, so this is good to go. It has beautiful pigmentation and lasts so well, so I like it a lot. For eyeliner, I'm using Beauty Gel Eyeliner, which is such a beautifully pigmented and long lasting. It's so creamy and I love to draw a thick winged eyeliner when I use this gel eyeliner because I like it a lot. You can see today was one of my best shaped and perfect winged eyeliner, and I like this eye look a lot. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes with Vega eyelash curler. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which is one of my most favorite mascara. It just coats your lashes so well. It just volumizes and shows up your eye look so well. So I'm applying it on my upper and lower lash line. I'm gonna apply 2 coats as I'm not gonna apply any for lashes. Next, for bronzing, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade Topper, and I'm applying it on the sides of my cheeks, jawline and slight bit on the sides of my nose to just warm up and bronze my face. For blush, I'm using the same Sugar Cosmetics blush and I'm applying it on the apple of my cheeks and a tad bit on the center of my nose. As you guys know, I love blush a lot, so I will go a little overboard with it, just don't mind it. For highlighter, I'm using my current favorite Mass Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Gold, and it's such a beautiful, subtle to blinding highlighter which you can build. I'm applying it on the high points of my cheekbone, on the center of my nose and slightly on the cupid's bow. Then I'm applying the same highlighter on the inner corner of my eye and on my eyebrow bone. At last, let's finish up with a little beautiful lipstick from the same brand, Mass Cosmetics. It is such a beautiful, subtle pinkish brown shade which is apt for this look. And this lip color is so good for almost all skin tones. For dusky skin tone, is such a beautiful pinkish brown nude shade. So that's it for the look, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you do so, don't forget to give a like, comment, share and save. Also don't forget to comment whether you like this look or not and what more videos do you want me to see next. Also, you can check out my Instagram page for more skincare, hair care and makeup content. So until next time, bye.